Hello everyone, my name is Annisa Nurul Fitri in PM 244120007 from Accounting Class 24A. Today, I will present a topic that plays a very important role in the world of business and industry, which is production management. Definition of production management. Production management can be defined as the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling all activities involved in producing goods or service. This means that production management is not only about making products but also about how to manage every step of the process, starting from the selection of material, using machine and labor, until the final production is ready to be delivered to the customer. Objective of production management. The main goal of production management is to produce quality goods effectively and economically. But more specifically, there are several important objects. First, to make sure that the company products goods in right quality and quantity, not too much and not too little. Second, to increase efficiency by using resources wisely and avoiding waste. Third, to reduce production costs so that company can compete in the market. Fourth, to meet customer demand on time because punctual delivery builds customer trust. And finally, to increase the company's productivity and profit. When all these objectives are achieved, the company can run more smoothly and sustainability. Functional of production management. In production management, there are four main functions that support the entry process. The first is planning. In this stage, the company decides what will be products, how much, when, and how it will be products. This helps avoid shortages or overproduction. The second is organizing. This means arranging all the resources, people, machine, and material so that production runs effectively and everyone knows their responsibility. The third is directing. It's focused on leading and motivating employees to work effectively, maintaining coordination and teamwork on the production floor. And the last one is controlling. This functional ensures that production process goes according to plan. If there are problems, correcting can be made immediately to prevent bigger issues. Production process. Now let's move on the production process itself. Basically, production involves three main stages: input, process, and output. The input stage includes all the resources needed, such as raw material, machine, labor, and capital. Then comes the process stage where these inputs are transformed into finished goods. For example, flour is turned into bread or cotton becomes clothing. Finally, 3 is the output stage, which is the result, the finished product or service that is ready to deliver to the customer. There are 3 common types of production systems that companies use. The first is mass production, where goods are made in large quantities and usually standardizing, like bottled water, snack, or cars. The second is job order production, which is based on specific customer order. Each product is made differently depending on the request. For example, customer furniture or tailored clothing. And the third is continuous production, where production never stops, like in chemical factories or power plants. Next, factor affecting production. There are several important factors that influence the success of production. First, the availability of raw material. If materials are hard to get, production will be delayed. Second, technology, because better technology means faster and effective production. Third, the quality of labor, since skilled and trained workers can produce better results. Four, capital and machinery, because without enough investment, production capacity will be limited. And lastly, time and cost management to make sure everything stays on schedule and within budget. To conclude, production management is one of the most essential part of a company operation. It ensures the production process runs effectively, the resources are used wisely, and production meet the expectation of customer. With good production management, a company can produce quality goods, reduce costs, meet market demand, and increase in profit.